क्या?
बाइक की वजह से इसको स्लो कर दिया क्योंकि ये कोलिजन करवा सकती है।
हाँ जी, इधर महिंद्रा के शोरूम, महिंद्रा एस्ट्रो, एस्ट्रो महिंद्रा। हम देख रहे हैं XUV 700 का सॉफ्ट लॉन्च एंड एवोल्यूशन, देखते हैं गाड़ी का कैसा है।
Alright, so we are super late and we are heading towards Astro Mahindra, which is the biggest dealership here in Jammu. So we are going for a soft launch of the new upcoming XUV 700. I'm super excited for the ADAS and all those fancy gadgets that are in there. Hopefully we'll take the car out for like a day, maybe not today, maybe tomorrow or something. We'll figure that out and let's go. Last time हम कौन से launch पे गए थे? इसके वो क्या है, ये लेके आए थे।
अब पता नहीं मॉडल कौन सा लॉन्च हो रहा है, टॉप होना चाहिए।
देखते हैं इंटीरियर क्वालिटी, बटन्स के क्या क्या फंक्शंस वगैरह वगैरह, नए बहुत सारे फीचर्स हैं इस गाड़ी। और ये जो नेक्स्ट स्कॉर्पियो होगी उसका भी थोड़ा बहुत पेस सेट हो जाएगा कि शायद उसमें भी ये फीचर्स होंगे थोड़े बहुत या नहीं, देखते हैं।
So we're super excited. We're about to reach and I'm excited for ADAS. Let's ask Dimant.
मैं ऑल व्हील ड्राइव वेरिएंट के लिए
अच्छी है गाड़ी तो, इज वेरी नाइस। आई रियली लाइक द कार।
तो वी हैवंट ड्रिवन इट येट, तो हम उसके बारे में कुछ अभी कमेंट नहीं कर सकते क्योंकि वी डोंट नो हाउ इट हैंडल्स ऑन द रोड, हाउ इट ब्रेक्स, उसका इंजन की परफॉर्मेंस कैसी है वो हमें नहीं पता कुछ। राइट, पर इंटीरियर वाइज तो इट्स अ गुड कार।
मतलब दी XUV 500 व्हाट वी हैव सीन और जो अभी का हम XUV 700 देख रहे हैं,
इट्स अ गुड अपग्रेड, एवोल्यूशन,
गुड अपग्रेड। हाँ,
बिकॉज एवरीडे यूज के लिए देयर इज एंड्रॉइड ऑटो, देयर इज एप्पल कारप्ले, देयर इज अ ह्यूज स्क्रीन, कंफर्टेबल सीट्स एंड एवरीथिंग।
लेकिन इस बात पे आपको एक चीज याद आ रहा है
क्या?
कि बाहर अंधेरा है और हमारे मुंह पे लाइट इतनी है और हम चल रहे हैं कॉन्फिडेंस में, हमको दिखाई कुछ नहीं दे रहा।
आगे खड्डा भी है बहुत,
आगे नाली है एक्चुअली, हमने नाली देखी नहीं है।
चलो वो हम आते हैं बाद में।
हाँ, तो कैच यू लेटर।
1 2 3 इधर आ जाओ। 3
What's up? And we are here.
Courtesy to Astro Mahindra, the dealership here in Jammu, which is the biggest. They have given us a brand new, fully loaded XUV and 700, and we will have a day with it. That's our XUV. We have received the keys, so all of us have a Thar because of these guys. And this is the car that we're gonna drive. We're gonna have it for the whole day.
Sir, thank you very much for being here. So I look forward to the reviews that you guys have to say about the new XUV 700. मेरी तरफ से तो it's a beautiful car, I would say. The rest is all up to you. What all you have to say? Let's see.
I hope you enjoy the drive.
Yes. What if we don't get it back here?
We know how to get it back.
And then, by the way, this car is fully connected. So wherever, whatever we are doing, they will know it, and
They can track us.
they can track us because this car is on their name. Not that they can track your car also. So that privacy is there.
That's why I said no. I know how to get it back.
And then it has ADAS. It might drive back itself. So let's take it.
Let's go. Anna.
Let's roll.
Yep.
All right, it's time to go. Okay, so this is the petrol version. So we drive Thar petrol on daily basis. So this is the same engine, little differently tuned, and this thing goes crazy. Brakes are also nice. First impression is good. Like it feels like a very premium car.
The fit and finish of things
It's way better. Right?
is way better, way better.
Alexa, play Sidhu Moosewala.
Playing songs by Sidhu Moosewala from Hungama Music.
क्या कहना चाहोगे अपनी इस म्यूजिक चॉइस के बारे में आप?
बजा तो है नहीं खड्डे में डाल के देखेंगे आप बहुत कंफर्टेबल
The interior color might not be very suitable for the Indian condition because it's very light, but it looks very spacious, very airy. Alright, so we are on the highway now. So we are going to pit stop. So we're gonna do some high-speed runs on this vehicle. We're gonna check out the ADAS system.
The steering wheel, which I just did now, and yes,
It turns.
it does.
देखो लेन असिस्ट अभी लेन की में हेल्प कर रही है लेन आइडेंटिफाई कर लिया अब ये कुछ लेन में चलेगी अच्छा लग रहा
Lane भी खुद मैनेज कर रही है. No hands, no feet, nothing. As you can see, the cars in the front slowed down, and my cruise speed is set for 50, but it is doing 33. Abhi, why? Because there's cars in the front which are doing 33. Everything automatically. Now the cars in front has picked up its pace, and so it is no feet, no hands. It's doing everything itself. Wants me to touch the steering wheel, which I just did. 80. It's keeping me in the center of the lane, and yeah, the steering is moving. I can see it. So it is 79, 80 ki speed abhi. Wants me to touch the steering wheel, which I just did now. And yes,
It turns.
it does. I'm not moving. You can see the road in front of me.
The first review is very smooth. It's a very smooth driving car. And the lane assist is on.
Chhod de. It's gonna do it. Its own magic.
Oh, wow.
Good karega. You scared, but it does.
Yeah, I'm a little scared right now.
It does it.
Okay, it did it.
There is a big legacy for the brand itself, man.
Yes.
Wow.
What a neat thing they produced. I'm taking one for sure.
Yes, absolutely, for my father.
They have changed the game, man. Ooh la la la, this is good. The suspension is amazing. The feedback on the steering wheel is amazing. The gear shift ratio is amazing. This is all-wheel drive or a front?
No, this is front wheel
That's
drive.
too much goodness for a front wheel.
And leave
Very
the
good
steering-
drive assist here.
Yes.
It's a very good drive assist. See, it's pulling me back.
Yeah, it'll pull you back.
It's
Every
not, it's
time
not a
it's
safe thing to do for the audience, but yeah, they have a feature like this,
Yeah.
and it's quite amazing. What a ride! What a beautiful ride! What a car worth it here.
Raji, I am very impressed here. Adaptive cruise control, मतलब on highways which are very clear and crisp, बहुत अच्छे से behave कर रही है.
So far it is good. It's just the Indian driving system is not used to this.
Plus the traffic, हाँ वही.
And we have reached pit stop.
The vehicle is amazing. वो जो ADAS system जो हमने पहले we were bitching about it. It's more than a gimmick. It is something which is very, 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 very useful.
Number one, the vehicle is very planted. इतनी बड़ी गाड़ी होने के बाद भी it sticks to the road. लगता नहीं है कि आप कोई SUV या 7-seater vehicle चला रहे हो. Body roll nil है. Number two, feature packed. Yes. वही कि we were little doubtful about the features कि whether ADAS, lane assist, all these kind of features would work in Indian roads. हाँ, जिन roads पे we've got proper and decent markings done, the vehicle follows it very religiously. मतलब हमने we tried doing a little bit of क्या कहते हैं, we tried fiddling it around. मतलब अगर लेन पे चल रही है उसको अगर मोड़ने की कोशिश किया, नहीं, the vehicle handles it very well. तो हाँ, handling is very good. I think a good 5 stars considering the features.
Thank you as always.
Thank you so much, bro.
There, bye-bye.
See you. Bye. Bye. Alright, so it's time to go back. I don't know if you can call it a review, but whatever it was a fun day with XUV 700. Thanks to Astro Mahindra, thanks to Vikram Bhaiya, thanks to Satyam Bhaiya for making this vehicle available to us. And this was the petrol AX7L model. We'll give you more details about the other ones really soon. Alright, so we have a new driver change and this is going to be the last leg of this whole day with the XUV.
60 मेंटेन किया और 60 मेंटेन किया और ये लेन में रख रही है खुद. हमारे आगे हूलिगन्स आ गए और ब्रेक मार रहे हैं और इसने खुद ब्रेक मारी हूलिगन्स को देख के. 33 पे ड्रॉप हुई है और वो खुशियां मना रहे हैं अपनी गाड़ी में कि उन्होंने हमारी एक ऑटोनोमस व्हीकल को नीचे दिखा दिया हमें ब्रेक चेक करके. मेरे को अपना कंट्रोल चाहिए. मैं नहीं कंप्यूटर्स के ऊपर अभी इतना विश्वास करता कि मैं उसे इस ट्रैफिक में इस गाड़ी को चलाने दूं, वो भी शो कार.
Few moments later.
हाँ, हम ट्रक के पीछे हैं.
We're crossing an intersection.
और अभी ये बिल्कुल हैंड्स फ्री मोड में है. मैंने बस हॉर्न बजाया था क्योंकि साइकिल वाला आ रहा था और तार पड़ी रोड. ये बाकी लेन इसने अपने आप कर्व में मेंटेन की हुई है. 50 की स्पीड, 60 की स्पीड है, पर आगे वाला ट्रक अभी 44-45 है.
So we are going through a really bad patch of this highway and यहाँ पे generally people drive really bad. The markings are not so nice and yet the car is keeping the lane assist is on, adaptive cruise control is on. It's been more than 10 minutes since we are on this in the main city and somehow it is working.
It's working.
According to us, it's a good buy for anybody who wants to buy a luxurious feature-packed car, especially when you're not the only one who travels with you. If your family, your friends, they travel with you, this is the vehicle to go for, especially in the price point. And then it is a normal, regular, good car, powerful car with good engine, good transmission. Plus it has ADAS. ADAS is going to be a game changer for sure. Given our roads are marked properly, which they are going to be. I mean, all the new highways are going to be pretty much nicely marked and all. Plus, I'm not pretty sure about it. We will ask the Mahindra guys, but I think this car would keep on getting over-the-air updates as well. Like in terms of software वगैरह. We are almost outside the Astro. It's time to drop the vehicle back. So we wanted to show it from underneath and all, like how it is, which we couldn't do this time. What we'll do is we'll take the diesel version with all-wheel drive whenever it comes. We'll take that out for a test drive and show you that one from underneath. If you want to know anything about this XUV 700, put it in the comments below and we will cover that topic in depth. See you. Thanks.